Okay, this one is a rectangular tabletop consists of a piece of laminated wood bordered by a thin metal strip along its four edges. Okay, I have a rectangular tabletop. Okay, the surface area of the tabletop is x square feet. Length width is equal x, and the total length of the strip before it was attached was x feet, so it's the perimeter. 2L plus 2W is equal x. If the tabletop is 3 feet wide, so W is equal 3. What is approximate length in feet? Okay, I have 2L plus 2W is equal LW. Yes, because x is equal x, so this is equal this. My W is equal 3. So I am just substituting. Okay, 2L plus 6 is equal 3L. So L is equal 6.